In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make SteamVR less laggy. We're going to focus on practical tweaks that reduce stutter, improve frame timing, and help your headset feel smoother without changing what you play or how you play it. Follow along, test after each change, and stick with the settings that give you the most stable experience. First, open the Steam client, find SteamVR in your library. Right-click it, choose Properties. Then go to the Betas tab and opt into the latest beta. SteamVR betas often include performance fixes and timing improvements that haven't reached the main branch yet. If you notice issues after opting in, you can return to the stable release the same way. But for many users, the beta brings measurable gains. Next, open SteamVR. Go to Settings. Then Video. Set resolution per eye to 100% to start. Or choose a custom value that matches your GPU's capabilities. Running higher than your card can handle forces reprojection and dropped frames, which feels like lag. While you are there, disable Advanced Supersample Filtering. This filter can add a small blur and extra processing overhead. Turning it off often sharpens the image and reduces work for your GPU, which helps maintain a steady frame rate. Still in the video section, turn off motion smoothing, while it aims to fill in missing frames. On some systems, it introduces artifacts and inconsistent frame pacing that feel worse than a lower, but stable, frame rate. Disabling it prioritizes raw consistency, which is usually better for comfort in fast-moving VR scenes. Now, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Use the official NVIDIA or AMD software to install the latest drivers. If you've had repeated issues after multiple updates, consider doing a clean installation using a driver cleanup tool so you start fresh. Updated drivers include optimizations, bug fixes, and new profiles that directly affect VR stability. On Windows, turn on Game Mode in Settings under Gaming. Then set your power plan to high performance, so your CPU and GPU aren't throttled during gameplay. This prevents mid-session downshifts that can cause sudden stutter or missed frames. Finally, disable overlays that hook into games. Turn off overlays from Discord, GeForce Experience, and the Steam overlay where possible. Overlays compete for resources and can interfere with frame delivery in VR, so disabling them removes a common source of micro-phase stutter. Apply these changes, test your favorite titles, and fine-tune only as needed. A steady frame time beats flashy settings every time. Thanks for watching.